Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explore how to customize your Jira dashboard. To start, navigate to the More menu and select Dashboards. Choose the specific dashboard you want to modify to open it up. To begin editing, click the Edit button located here. Now you can rearrange the layout or swap elements around. You can also add new gadgets or adjust the overall structure. When you are finished, click Done. You can also access options to share the dashboard, copy its link, or enable an automatic refresh. Other features include viewing it as a wallboard, creating a new dashboard, or browsing all existing ones. Simply pick the component you want to change. For example, you can alter colors, duplicate sections, or delete them. Personalizing your dashboard is straightforward. Once your changes are complete, hit Done. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.